Hello, my dear students. Hope everyone is doing well. In today's math session, we are going to see division of indices with same base. In the last session, we have seen how to carry out the multiplication of indices with the same base. So now let's see how we are going to carry out the division. Children, there are certain rules which we need to follow while dividing the indices with the same base. Suppose we are having two indices, that is a raised to m and a raised to n. That is a raised to m is divided by a raised to n. So what is the law for it? Like in multiplication, like suppose we had a raised to m into a raised to n. We were adding the power. So here we are going to subtract the power when we are going to carry out the division of indices with the same base. So that is the law for division of indices. So what we will be doing? We will be subtracting the powers by taking the base common. Suppose we have 2 raised to 11 minus 2 raised to 2. So base is same 2. Take it common and subtract the powers, that is 11 minus 2. So we will be getting 2 raised to 9. So that simple is the division of indices. Then let's start some few or you can say some extra things which we need to keep in mind. A raised to 0 will be 1. Any number raised to 0 is going to be 1. As like in the last session we have seen, any number raised to 1 will be the number itself. Here any number raised to 0 will be 1. You take 100 raised to 0, that is going to be 1. A raised to minus m will be 1 upon a raised to m. Children, see, here I can explain this with an example. 2 raised to minus 5, negative power is there. So this will become 1 upon 2 raised to positive power of 5. That simple it is. Then suppose you are having a upon b raised to minus m. So here a upon b will become reciprocal, that is b by a, and minus m will become plus m. Okay. So suppose we are having 2 upon 3 raised to minus 9. So firstly invert this. This will become 3 upon 2 and minus 9 will become plus 9. Opposites here to take. 2 by 3 will become 3 by 2 and minus 9 will become plus 9. And a raised to minus 1 is the multiplicative inverse of a. Means what, children? See, a raised to minus 1 means 1 upon a. So what is this? Multiplicative inverse is nothing but the reciprocal. So a raised to minus 1 will be equals to 1 upon a. So these are certain things which we need to keep in mind. Then one more thing regarding the integers. Integers means what? You have signs with them. Here especially we will be dealing with the minus sign. Observe, children, what happens if the base is minus 1 and the index is a whole number. Okay. Now children, see, here we have minus 1 raised to 6. Means what? Minus 1 you have to multiply 6 times. Correct? So what is going to happen when the power is an even number? Okay. So you are going to get the answer positive. And if the power is an odd number, you are going to get the answer as negative. Okay. So here that is what is explained. If power is even number, then answer will be positive, and if power is negative, then answer will be negative. Okay. So this thing we have to keep in mind. So let's start solving practice set 28. Very easy this practice set is. Firstly, you have to simplify a raised to 6 divided by a raised to 4. Children, base is same. Take it common and subtract the power. 6 minus 4, it will be 2. And when the power is 2, we call it as square, a square. Then m raised to 5 divided by m raised to 8. Take the common base and subtract the powers. 5 minus 8 will be minus 3. So the answer is m raised to minus 3. Then we have here p raised to 3 divided by p raised to 13. Subtract the powers, you will get it as p raised to minus 10. Children, see, this p raised to minus 10 can also be written as 1 upon p raised to 10. Why? Because a raised to minus m will be equals to a raised to m. If you write this much, that is also okay. If you convert this, that is also okay. Then x raised to 10 minus x raised to 10. Children, both of them are like same values. So we know what to do. It will be like x raised to 10 minus 10. Take the common base and subtract the powers. It will be x raised to 10 minus 10. So we will get it as x raised to 0. And any number raised to 0 is 1. So this is a special case. Okay. Then let's move ahead. Now, question number 2 of the practice set is to find the values. Find the value means what, children? You have to solve this. You can't keep it 7 raised to 2. You have to find its value. Now here, minus 7 raised to 12 divided by minus 7 raised to 12. Base is same. Take it common. 12 minus 12 is going to be 0. Any number raised to 0 is 1. So we have got the value. Then let's come to the second one. 7 raised to 5 divided by 7 raised to 3. Base is same. Take it common. 5 minus 3 will be 2. 7 square is nothing but 49. Then let's see the third one. 4 by 5 raised to 3 divided by 4 by 5 raised to 2. Now children, base is same. Take it common. 3 minus 2 will be 4 by 5. You can take it as raised to 1. Any number raised to 1, we know the power of 1 will be the number itself. So answer will be 4 by 5. Then the last example is 4 raised to 7 divided by 4 raised to 5. Base is same. Take it common. 7 minus 5 will be 2. That is 4 raised to 2. 4 raised to 2 means you have to multiply 4 2 times. 4 4s are 16. So the final answer will be 16. I hope children, everyone has got today's session very nicely, that how to divide the indices with the same base. And if you have loved today's session, don't forget to like, share and subscribe your own YouTube channel, that is Your Rhythm Nexus. You can tap on the trophy and you can subscribe the channel. Thank you.